So if I type this code now, CE, not CL, CENLYB, I click on this where I say roll number. Instantly I just win 0.0000102 1022 satoshis of Litecoin. And if you go over to this place that they call statistics, this statistics, yes, that's where I am now. Let me put it in desktop mode for you to understand what I'm saying. If you go over to this place that says that statistics, you should see that my withdrawal history was 0.009017 LTC was withdrawn successfully. And if you look at my deposit history, I didn't deposit any single dime on this particular website. So for us to clear more doubt, if you come over to the Trust Wallet now, you can see that particular, I didn't have any LTC on my Trust Wallet. I didn't have any Litecoin on my Trust Wallet before I placed this withdrawal. As you can see, that same amount in that site was the same amount that I received here, which was yesterday at 4:48 p.m., which was successful, and I didn't invest anything to get this particular LTC withdrawal. I just made this withdrawal to show you guys that the site is currently paying, even though the payment is not that much, but at least it's a good site and it's still paying currently. So guys, if you're interested in earning 1.5 USDT daily without doing anything, and it's not gonna take you even a minute to get it, there's a WhatsApp group link in the description of this video. Follow it up, chat me up. I'm the admin of the WhatsApp group. Chat me up and I will give you the link, and you're gonna get your 1.5 LTC, 1.5 USDT without doing anything daily. So if you want to do it, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group in the description of this video. That is it, guys. So let's continue with the video. So if you follow the link in the description, it's gonna bring you over to this place if you're interested in the Litecoin, free Litecoin sites. If you follow the link in the description, it's gonna bring you over to this place where you are gonna sign up with normal things we normally use to sign up: your email address, your password, then option referee your option. Now don't worry, if you follow the link in the description, the referral link is gonna be that place, referral code is gonna be that place, or I'm gonna leave it on the description of this video. Please use my referral code. And also your Litecoin wallet of your choice. Any wallet of your choice is whatever you can use to create this account. So after doing it, enter the captcha and click on this place that says sign up. So after signing up, next thing you have to do is to click on this where I say login. It's gonna take you over to where you have to put your details. So let me put my details here. Enter the captcha. MX. I hope I'm getting it. This captcha is kind of tricky. RBQ. Incorrect captcha. Don't worry, let me sign up and go back. So my people, it's your boy ZUBYKING here, and welcome to ZUBYK Crypto. Please, before we continue, use 5-6 seconds of your time to click on this place that says subscribe to my channel. Yes, you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, and then do your own self a favor by clicking on this place that say this bell icon, and click on this all, so that you get notified whenever I post any updates on my channel. Remember, I post legit updates, and whenever anything cast, I will tell you guys. Like this particular Bitcoin app, go and do it and watch the video and do the updates in there, and also go over to my channel, do most of the updates you see that place. But leave this TRS, the site just it's like the site is kind of fishy nowadays, so leave it, don't do it anymore. So without saying much, let's go to the main video of the day. So after successful withdrawal, you can see that I just log in. What is this site all about? freelitecoin.com is okay. You can read what they say here. They say you can win up to 200 in Litecoin, $200 in Litecoin. The table below indicate the amount of free Litecoin you are gonna get, and it's totally free. So because if you roll 10,000 and hit the 200 jackpot, you are gonna be withdrawing it successfully. So let me show you guys more about how to do the free roll, like these knocking numbers. Now if you get 0, if you click on this place now, just like I did on the beginning of this video, you solve the captcha and roll it. If you get any of this number from this first one, from 0 to 9,885, it's gonna give you this 1,222 satoshis of Litecoin. But if you exceed it with 1, it depends on your luck. If you exceed it with 1, it's gonna give you 13,038 Litoshis of Litecoin, and that goes to the rest of the row. So if you ever in your life and you're going to get lucky to get this 10,000 LTC, they're gonna reward you with 3.25 LTC. That is what the site is all about. So if you click on this 3 dotted line icon here, it's gonna take you over to it's gonna show you this particular place. This is where to earn more on this website. Even though I didn't recommend it, this multiply, I didn't recommend it because you are betting out the satoshis that you get in every 1 hour. So as you can see, you can come here to bet in and bet out, divide in and divide more. So do your own more research on it, although I didn't recommend it because it's gonna drain your Litoshi from you. Another one is this blackjack. So it's a game. This is where you can earn more while waiting for the 1 hour to go, although I didn't recommend it. Remember, I said I didn't recommend it because I tried it out and it drained out my hard-earned satoshis of Litecoin. Another one is this lottery. So next lottery is gonna be in next 2 days. So do your own research on it, no problem. Do your own research on it. But I'm just trying to show you guys that the site is really paying and is very free, very single free. So I know the next thing in your mind now is what is the minimum withdrawal. So when you click on this place that says withdraw now, you can see that the minimum withdrawal is 0.04 Litoshi of Bitcoin Satoshi of Litecoin, which in the right sense, their network fee is 0.01 Litecoin. Which if you reach the minimum withdrawal, just click on this place that said paste or fund. It will tell you that you don't have enough Litecoin. So try as much as you can to reach the minimum withdrawal so that you can withdraw just like I did, although I withdrew more than the minimum withdrawal. Yeah, the minimum withdrawal is very small. So try as much as you can. Come over to this website. It's not even gonna take you much time. Come over to this website and do your lucky roll, just like I did in the beginning of this video. So let's talk about the referral. The referral payout is very high. As you can see, although I've referred 59 people in this website, which I did with my previous video with my previous video on this website. So, and my referees have been earning. So their referral fee, they give you 50% of whatever you refer someone. That's why it's good to refer. Just tell your friends about the website and they're gonna earn with you also. So next thing you have to do is to wait till another 1 hour so that you can come here again and play your luck to win the 3.2 litecoin. So if you get value from this video, please do me a favor by giving this video a like and giving me a good comment in the comment section, so that it will motivate me to give you guys an update like this. Although it doesn't pay high, but at least it's still paying and paying all right. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want to go to sleep. As you can see, it's midnight already and I need to sleep. I just want to do this video and show you guys this side, so whoever that is interested can go and do the free updates. Do well to subscribe to the channel. A lot of big updates is coming over, don't miss it out. So guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.